I'm Noreen and welcome to my kitchen and another episode of What's for Dinner. Tonight we're going to do a leftover makeover. Last week when we had the London broil, I hate to waste all that good heat on the grill, so I always have Rick grill some chicken breasts, and that's what he did. So I have several grilled chicken breasts ready and waiting in the refrigerator to make quick dinners, lunches, salads, etc. Tonight we're going to take 4 of those grilled chicken breasts and we're going to make an easy, cheesy, grilled chicken rigatoni. And this is how we're going to do it. This recipe is so fast, you're not going to believe it. I boiled a 1-pound box of rigatoni, and this is perfectly al dente. And then what I have in the bottom of my pot is 2 cups or thereabouts of my homemade tomato sauce. I made that yesterday with all of the delicious tomatoes that are coming out of my garden. So we're going to need more sauce than that, but for right now, 2 cups or so in there. We're going to toss the pasta in the sauce, and you can use any shortcut pasta that you like. I like penne or rigatoni or rotini or cavatappi or whatever you like. That's just entirely up to you. So then what we're going to do is, I have this over medium heat, by the way. This is 4 grilled chicken breasts, and they were just seasoned with salt, pepper, and garlic. Give those a toss in there as well. This is going to be really fast and really delicious. I'm going to put some Parmesan cheese, and this is just some Parmigiano Reggiano. Toss it some more. Once you get your chicken cut up and your pasta cooked, it's really all downhill from there. It's really awesome. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put about 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. And there's that hand. You were missing that hand, weren't you guys? I knew it.
I can't pass up cheese.
I know. And give this another toss. And at this point, you are going to assess whether or not you wish to add more sauce. And I do. And I'm going to add, let's add another cup or so. And then you can always serve more sauce on the side for anybody who wants it. But for right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the heat off. I'm going to put the lid on, and I'm going to finish cooking the rest of my meal. And then when we come back, I'll fix your plate of this delicious, easy, cheesy, grilled chicken rigatoni. Okay, I have fixed you the most amazing plate of easy, cheesy, grilled chicken rigatoni that you will ever eat. Super fast, super delicious. I had to wait for my ratatouille to finish. I had these vegetables roasting in the oven. I have done another video. I will link down below so you can go take a look at that if you wish. I'll be sure and put the recipe for this on my website, and that's www.noreenskitchen.com. And I hope that you've enjoyed your visit today. If you liked what you saw, please rate, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see ya.